massive Valentine's Day storm is about to unleash chaos across America, and the models just made a shocking 180-degree flip in the last 12 hours. Are you in the danger zone? Right now, a monster low-pressure system is spinning up over the Texas Panhandle at 1,004 millibars, and it is about to explode. By Sunday morning, this beast drops to 998 millibars over Arkansas. By Monday, it bottoms out at 980 millibars off Cape Cod. Remember, lower numbers mean stronger storms, and this thing is intensifying fast. But here is where it gets wild. Last night's European model showed a foot of snow burying the Northeast. This morning, complete opposite, almost no snow. Which forecast is right? Stay with me, because at the 5-minute mark, I will reveal which cities are getting hammered and which ones dodge the bullet. Comment below where you are watching from, and I will give you a personalized forecast for your exact location. Let's talk about what is happening right now across the Pacific Southwest. Snow and rain are already pounding California, Nevada, and the Four Corners region. This is the beginning. By tomorrow, Thursday, February 12th, the Rockies get slammed. Utah, western Colorado, Wyoming, these areas have been starving for snow all winter. Well, your wish is about to be granted. Mountain locations in Arizona and New Mexico could see surprise snowfall by Friday morning. Flagstaff, Taos, even parts of the high desert. If you have outdoor plans in these areas, cancel them now. Here comes your first reward. The Sierra Nevada mountains in California are about to receive 7 to 8 feet of snow over the next 10 days. Yes, you heard that right. 7 to 8 feet. Ski resorts from Tahoe to Mammoth Mountain are about to hit the jackpot. The Cascades in Washington and Oregon? Also buried. If you are a snow lover out west, this is your moment. Now, the severe weather threat. This is where confidence is extremely high. By Friday afternoon, February 13th, West Texas becomes ground zero. Lubbock, Midland, Amarillo, you are first in line. Dew points surge into the 50s, climbing near 60 degrees by Friday evening. That is rocket fuel for thunderstorms in mid-February. Storm energy, what meteorologists call convective available potential energy, hits 1,000 joules per kilogram. Translation, supercells are likely. We are talking 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail, and I cannot rule out brief tornadoes. This is not a major outbreak, but it only takes one tornado to change lives forever. Friday morning starts quiet. You are heading to work, dropping kids at school. Everything seems normal. By noon, showers overspread southern New Mexico and western Texas. Lubbock, Midland, south of Amarillo, you are on the clock. By 3 to 5 in the afternoon, these showers explode into severe thunderstorms. If they tap into that moisture and instability, supercells develop rapidly. Some could be tornadic. Late afternoon through early evening Friday, this is your danger window for West Texas and eastern New Mexico. Then overnight Friday into Saturday morning, a squall line sweeps east. Amarillo to Midland to Lubbock, then targeting Wichita Falls around midnight. These storms crawl slowly eastward. Dallas-Fort Worth, especially areas west of Fort Worth like Weatherford and Mineral Wells, you get hit around daybreak Saturday. Valentine's Day morning might start with severe thunderstorm warnings. The heavy rain threat is massive. The East Pacific Ocean is wide open, pumping moisture inland at 200 to 300% of normal. Flash flooding is a serious concern. Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Wichita Falls, Fayetteville, Fort Smith, you could see several inches of rain in a short time. Friday night into Saturday, marginal flood risk covers this zone. By Saturday, Valentine's Day itself, the risk escalates. Little Rock, Memphis, Pine Bluff, you are upgraded to slight risk. Flooding is not just possible, it is likely in some areas. Sunday, the flood threat shifts to the deep south. Northern Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas. Keep those rain boots handy. But wait, there is more. Over 170 cities need to know their specific forecast. Let me break this down region by region, and do not skip ahead because your city might be coming up next. Pacific Northwest, Seattle, Portland, Spokane, Boise, you are in the bullseye for back-to-back winter storms starting Tuesday, February 17th. Cascade Mountains get buried through Wednesday. Coastal rain, mountain snow, Stevens Pass, Mount Baker, Mount Hood, Powder Paradise, Northern Rockies, Missoula, Billings, Great Falls, Jackson Hole, multi-day snow event Tuesday through Thursday, feet of accumulation at higher elevations. Southern California, Los Angeles, San Diego. Mostly rain, but Big Bear and Mount Baldy see 7 to 8 feet of snow over 10 days. Mountain roads will close. Desert Southwest, Phoenix and Tucson stay dry. Albuquerque, Flagstaff, Santa Fe get snow Friday into Saturday. El Paso sees rain-snow mix. Texas, West Texas gets severe weather first. Lubbock, Amarillo, Midland, Abilene, Friday afternoon through night. Damaging winds, large hail, tornadoes possible. Dallas-Fort Worth, severe weather overnight Friday into Saturday morning, then heavy rain. Houston, San Antonio, Austin, heavy rain Saturday into Sunday, several inches possible, flooding threat. Corpus Christi stays on southern fringe, Oklahoma and Kansas. Oklahoma City, Tulsa, severe weather Friday night, then multi-day heavy rain through weekend. Flash flooding highly likely west of Oklahoma City. Wichita sees severe thunderstorms Saturday, then heavy rain. Kansas City gets thunderstorms Saturday into Sunday. Missouri and Arkansas, heavy rain Saturday through Sunday, widespread 2 to 4 inch totals. Little Rock and flood slight risk zone could see 3 to 5 inches Saturday. Springfield, Branson, Ozarks could see localized flooding. Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee. Heavy rain spreads Sunday into Monday. New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Jackson, Memphis, all looking at soaking rains. Memphis gets hit Saturday. Nashville and Knoxville see rain Sunday into Monday. Alabama and Georgia. Birmingham, Mobile, heavy rain Sunday. Atlanta sees 1 to 2 inches. Coastal areas 2 to 3 inches. Florida, North Florida gets heavy rain. Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Pensacola in Sunday rain zone. Central Florida, scattered showers. South Florida stays mostly dry. The Carolinas and Virginia. Charlotte, Raleigh, Charleston, rain Sunday into Monday. Coastal areas see most 2 to 3 inches. Richmond, Virginia Beach, rain Sunday night into Monday. Now here is the twist you have been waiting for. The Northeast snowfall forecast just completely changed. Last night, the European model showed catastrophic snowfall. New York City, Philadelphia, Boston, Hartford, Providence, 12 inches or more. Blizzard conditions from the Poconos through New Jersey, Long Island, all the way to Boston. That was the forecast at midnight. This morning, the model flipped 180 degrees. Now it shows the storm suppressed far to the south. Barely any snow for the Northeast. What happened? It all comes down to latitude and phasing. If the storm tracks further north and phases with cold air, you get a blockbuster snowstorm. If it stays suppressed to the south, you get nothing. Right now, the trend is south. The latest American model agrees. Storm stays south, minimal snow for the Northeast. But, and this is critical, I would not be shocked if tomorrow morning this flips back to a blizzard. These Valentine Este storms are notoriously tricky. Northeast major cities, New York City, Boston, Philadelphia, Providence. As of right now, Monday, the February 16th, little to no snow forecast. Maybe rain, maybe mix, but big snow stays offshore. However, check back tomorrow. This could change dramatically. Great Lakes, Chicago, Detroit, Cleveland, Milwaukee. Wednesday, February 18th, brings wintry weather to northern Great Lakes. By Saturday, February 21st, strong low over upper Midwest. Green Bay, Duluth could see significant snow. Chicago, Detroit on southern edge could be snow or rain. Upper Midwest, Minneapolis, Fargo, Sioux Falls. Winter weather zone late this week into next. Multiple systems bring snow chances. Here is your long-range outlook for events and travel. February 16th through 23rd, pattern stays highly active. Cold and snowy out west. Warm and stormy in the east. President's Day weekend, Texas through Mississippi could see severe weather or heavy rain interrupting outdoor plans. Mardi Gras is February 25th. New Orleans forecast looks wet. Models show storm systems rolling through late February. Pack rain gear for parades. Street flooding possible during heavy downpours. Spring training baseball starts late February. Arizona looks excellent, dry, and mild. Florida could see rainy days as storms track through. Monitor forecasts if traveling to watch your team. NASCAR Daytona 500 is February 22nd. Current forecast shows possible rain impacting qualifying and race day. Fans should prepare for potential delays. College basketball tournaments ramp up late February. Check weather for your destination. South and east could see active weather affecting travel. See, last week of February, February 23rd through March 1st, pattern tries to shift. Colder air attempts to drop from Canada but struggles. Southeast ridge keeps warmer air in place. Clash zone sets up. Winter storms north, severe weather south. Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin finally see more consistent winter weather late February into early March. Deep South and Southeast face continued severe weather threats February 16th through 23rd and again February 23rd through March 1st. Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, be ready for possible significant outbreaks. Tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail all possible. These storms could be significant and dangerous. So bottom line, what do you need to know? West Texas, severe weather Friday afternoon and evening. Oklahoma, heavy rain and flooding Saturday. Arkansas, flooding risk Saturday. Northeast, snowfall forecast uncertain, check back daily. West Coast and Rockies, massive snow continuing for days. Comment your city below right now and I will reply with your specific detailed 7-day forecast, including timing and impacts. Do not wait. Do it now while you are thinking about it. The next video drops in exactly 24 hours, and I will have the updated European model runs. Will the Northeast snow forecast flip back? Will severe weather intensify? You need to see what happens next. This massive storm is not done surprising us. I saw